Two young students of John Fisher Catholic College in Newcastle-under-Lyme, in Staffordshire in the United Kingdom have suddenly died within a week. They were both remembered in prayers during an online assembly on Tuesday. The school, which caters for around 1,100 pupils, has offered both families its condolences. In a statement released by the acting head teacher at the school, Garrett Murray, the school is deeply saddened to learn of the deaths of two of our learners, Mohammed Habib and Harry Towers. We are praying for them and their families and friends and keeping them in our thoughts at this very difficult time. I'm in contact with both families and have offered our deepest condolences and support. This will have a large impact on the whole school community, and we are ensuring support is available in school for anyone who needs it. Mr. Murray added, "At this stage, the cause of each death has not yet been determined, and out of respect for both families, we would ask people not to speculate, particularly on social media, at this very difficult time."